Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Alright, going to do a video today which wasn't planned, but that point there is faulty. I've been testing the track. Alright, disclaimer here, don't do as I do, but I will offer some advice. I thought I had tested it, which I did very briefly. Sometimes I get impatient and I didn't test it properly. So I had a few running issues where the loco would stall, and this part of this track is live, leading into the point is live. Actually, we'll just get you a bit closer. Might zoom in a little bit if you can see. All right, that siding there was live, but right in the middle there's a little almost a dead section, and the locos just stall in the center. So I'm wondering, because as I've said in previous videos, in fact all the track on this HO layout is reused from previous layouts, and I'm wondering whether the connecting wires that are on the back of the point, one has become dislodged. So I have, prior to starting this video, I've used my squirty bottle and just wet it down. I'll just give it a bit more now. Of course, what I need to do, luckily everything else runs fine, so I'm going to have to lift this piece of track, this siding up, pull that off, and then lift that point. I had another one which is the same radius, but it's the shorter, it's the small one, not the medium. So luckily I don't have to change, sorry, I'll put that into view. See, I don't have to change the tracks leading into it. It's just a little bit shorter there, so I'm just going to have to add a piece of track to get the length right. Alright, so I'm just trying to reactivate the PVA glue which I've used. Put it down. I'll just put a bit more on the point. So that should be just about ready to start lifting. Alright.